get checked. So, some conditions, not all of them, some that have responded favorably to upper cervical care. And I'm not going to read them all, I just threw them up there, you can look at that yourself. But just again, understand that since the brainstem is responsible for proper function in all parts of the body, that if there's interference here, is it just possible that it could be responsible for abnormal function at these parts? Something to think about. I want to go back because I want to read something. I want to read something. These are called green books. For those of you who may not know of these, there's 40 volumes that were written by Dr. B.J. Palmer. All the work he did just about was put into these books and explaining the whys, the what we do's, what we don't do's. And it's so much information, and I'm not going to get into it all, but there's a couple things I want to hit. And there's one in here in particular. And hopefully you'll get this. And this one is 1949, okay? And this is a paragraph by Dr. Palmer. We chiropractors work with the subtle substance of the soul. We release the prisoned impulse, the tiny rivulet of force that emanates from the mind and flows over the nerves to the cells and stirs them into life. We deal with the magic power that transforms common food into living, loving, thinking clay, that robes the earth with beauty and hues and scents the flowers with the glory of the air. In the dim, dark, distant long ago, when the sun first bowed to the morning star, this power spoke, and there was life. It quickened the slime of the sea and the dust of the earth, and drove the cell to union with its fellows in countless living forms. Through eons of time, it finned the fish, and winged the bird, and fanged the beast. Endlessly it worked, evolving its forms until it produced the crowning glory of them all. With tireless energy, it blows the bubble of each individual life, and then silently, relentlessly, dissolves the form and absorbs the spirit into itself again. And yet you ask, can chiropractic cure appendicitis or the flu? Have you more faith in a knife or a spoonful of medicine than in the innate power that animates the entire living world?